Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. In our showroom, we have a 2019 270 SDX. This has a white hull with a horizon side color. On the swim platform, we have the brown sea deck to match the dune interior. This is a stick-on. We have a manual submersible swim platform. Underneath, of course, is the Bravo 3 dual prop outdrive. On the rear of this 270 SDX, we have a large sun pad on the back. There's some cup holders on the port side. We have a charge port for your cell phones. Underneath this seat, there's a large storage compartment for skis, wakeboards. This goes all the way underneath the port side seats. With Sea Ray, all of the hatches are A-finished on the bottom and cam-locked. The seats also pick up to lounge. Nice feature from Sea Ray. As I move over to the side of the boat, we have a walk-through transom. We have stereo controls from the rear of the boat. We also have a freshwater shower that you can access through the boat. As we walk through the walk-through here, there is a cooler underneath your feet. You can access from the back of the boat for wet storage. Your drinks, what have you, nice day out in the lake. We also have a transom door. Of course, our fuel fill is on the starboard side. This is unique for the 270. This starts on the 270. There's a boarding step. This way you can get on and off the boat from the side if the finger isn't long enough to reach the back of the boat. We have some more cup holders. As we move forward, there's some more cup holders spread out from underneath. There's some grab rails. Moving forward on the cockpit of this boat, on the starboard side, we have a carry-off cooler that's underneath the seat. On the port side, this also lifts up. There's a lot of storage down in here. The bow filler cushion brackets and everything are in there. Underneath my feet, we have a large ski locker. This is lockable. The air pump for any of the air toys would also be in there. We have the infinity flooring that snaps in. Both of our seats have reversible backs. So this way when you get to your location, you can face all of your guests in the back. When you decide to go back underway, you're sitting forward, facing forward. On this boat, we have a white sports tower that you can kneeboard or tube off of. This boat also has the Fusion tower speakers with the upgraded Fusion stereo system. This tower does come down with some knobs on the side. You can simply turn the knobs and the whole tower folds down to get underneath those low clearances. On the port side, large head compartment with a vacuum flush head. There is a freshwater sink in there as well. It has its own light. On top of the dashboard here, we have some cup holders. We have a lockable glove box. On the starboard side, we have our helm. We have a 9-inch Simrad, full touchscreen, all of our switches, tilt steering wheel, our trim tabs on the right side as well. Also, digital throttle, digital shift from Mercury. It's a great feature. Very seamless when you shift. As I move forward, we have our bow door. Closes off the bow for those cool nights. Of course, this locks away. There's more lockable storage underneath the driver's side helm. The bow and cockpit tables are stored in there with all of the bracketry and everything. There's a spot for everything, so nothing's rattling around. They have a spot to stay when you're not using them. As I move forward, we have armrests for the bow. There's wet storage underneath both front seat and another ski locker underneath my feet. All the way up here on the bow, we have a boarding ladder and a spot for the anchor as well.